Welcome to your Animals Webquest kindergartners. Today we are going to be learning all about animals, and we're going to learn about their different characteristics and how we can group them and compare them based on how they look, maybe how they move, those sorts of things. So I want you to begin this Webquest on the introduction page. That's the page I'm on right now, that says welcome to the zoo. So this is just an introduction to what we're going to be learning about. I'd like you to read through this and just want you to get you to start thinking about animals. So think about your favorite animal and all the different types of characteristics that you can think of that pertain to your favorite animal. And once you've done that, we are going to move on, and I want you to click on the next tab, which is the task page. Okay, so this page shows the learning goal for this whole Webquest. So once you're finished with this Webquest, you'll be able to put animals into different categories based on their different characteristics. So this will let you compare and contrast all sorts of different animals. So this page just gives a brief overview of all the things you're going to be doing today. And so if you just read through that, it'll give you an idea of all the things you're going to be doing. And then the next page will go into more detail about that. So once you've read through the task page, I would like you to click on the process page, which is right below task. And this is where you're going to be doing the majority of your work. So this is the most important page. So you're going to start with what says first, because this is what I want you to do first. So to begin with, you're going to be watching a short little video about classifying animals. So you'll just have to click on this play button and watch the video. And that's all you need to do for that step. And just remember what it says. You can write some things down, draw pictures during the video if that helps you. Then we're going to go on to the second task. So for this task, I'm going to have you go to a website. So you'll click on this blue link. It'll take you to a website that'll go through the characteristics of some groups of animals. So mammals, reptiles, birds, amphibians, and fish. And once you've read through the descriptions for each of those, there will be a list on the left-hand side of your screen, and you'll just click on each group. And once you've read through those, I want you to, on a piece of paper, make 5 columns, and each column is going to have a group of animals in it. And then I want you to go back and read the descriptions again and pick 2 descriptions for each group that you thought were the most interesting. And then after you've written down 2 descriptions for each of the 5 groups, I want you to just draw a quick little picture of an animal that fits into each group. So in each column you'll need 1 picture, and then I want you to just color it in with some colored pencils or crayons, whichever you'd like. And then we're going to move on to the third task, which is a game. So you're going to be playing Curious George's Animal Scrapbook game. So once again, you're going to click on this blue link, and then this is a picture of the screen that it's going to take you to. And once you get here, you're going to click on this green arrow that says play. And then this game has different pages of a scrapbook, and on each page there's a description, and then there's an example of one animal that fits that description. So what you need to do is pick the other animal that also fits that description, and you'll have, I believe, 3 options. And if you can't tell what the animal is for whatever reason, if you put your mouse over the animal, it will read the animal to you. So if you're not sure, just do that and it'll say what that animal is. So yes, have fun with that. And then finally, the biggest task at the very end, we are going to be making posters. So I'm going to split you up into groups, and each group is going to be assigned one group of animals. So I will decide that. I'll give your group a group of animals. And then what you're going to do is create a poster. And your poster needs to include at least 5 facts about your animal group. So you need to write those down, and I want everyone in the group to contribute. So each person should be writing down one of their facts, and you can use the sheet that you made in this second task where you wrote down descriptions for each group. You can use that sheet to help you with your poster. And once you've written down those 5 or more, you can have more than 5, I want you to draw 2 pictures at least of some examples of some animals that are in your group. And all of your pictures should be colored in. Make them nice and colorful and big so that when everyone's done, when we share our posters with the rest of the class, everybody can see your drawings and see what you've written. So, like I said, when we're done, I'll have each group go up and explain their group of animals and all the different things they learned about that group. And right here, I just have some examples of descriptions that you can include. If for some reason your group has less than 5 different facts on your sheets, then just get creative. Think of some new things that maybe weren't on that website and write those down. Add those to your poster. So once again, you need at least 5 facts and at least 2 pictures of animals that are in your group. But I would love to see more than 2. And make sure those are colored in. So that's everything that you're going to need to do today. And then I just also want to show you, after this process page, I'd like you to click on evaluation. And this page just shows the rubric for your final project, which is the poster. So it would be a great idea to look this over before you even start your poster so that you know exactly what you need to do to get all of your points. So we have the content in the poster, the pictures, your presentation, and then participation. So just read through those, and you want all of these to be in the good column. So read the descriptions for this good column and do everything that it says, and you will get full credit. And then finally, you can go to the conclusion. And this is just to wrap up the Webquest. So yeah, if you just want to read that through, I have the different resources I use. Those are down there linked to the websites. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I will be walking around to help you out. I hope you have a lot of fun today. I hope you learn lots of new things about these animals, and I can't wait to see your posters. Good luck!